Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to raise the question as it appears being rested under my name on the order paper. Order paper, question number 10 of 2015. I direct this question to the Minister for Immigration. Would the Minister inform the House how many new citizenships, excluding dual citizenship, in total were granted from 2007 to 2014, and what was their country of origin? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Minister for Immigration.
Madam Speaker, Honorable Prime Minister, Leader of the Opposition, I hope everyone is calm down now. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honorable Bande for question of his. Is this yet another example of misguided information on the blogs that had been ongoing even prior to election last September? It was alleged in the blogs that the government had granted citizenship to approximately 10,000 Chinese nationals between 2007 and 2014, which is totally false. I was campaigning in Naitasir, and this is what I get. Madam Speaker, this question will require answer in statistical form. However, very briefly, the answers to the question will involve two separate laws of citizenship, the 1997 Constitution and the Citizenship Decree of 2009. Under both laws, citizenship may acquired under the following categories: by birth, by registration, and by naturalization. The major difference between the two laws are the provision of dual, multiple citizenship, and the age of the child has been reduced from 21 to 18. The differences are part of the provision of the Citizenship Decree of 2009. As asked by Honorable Bande, the number of new citizenship approved during the period 2007 to 2014 total 5,736 individuals from 60 different countries, including 1,321 children of Fiji citizens who were born abroad and classified as stateless. From those 536 individuals, 1,582 are former Fiji citizens now on dual citizenship, and 569 through naturalization. Naturalization are those individuals that have work permits and resided in Fiji for more than 5 years, qualifying them to receive Fiji citizenship. With the given figures, those that were in stateless category maintained the highest number of applications granted through the period, followed by New Zealand, Australia, and USA had the highest number of applications from 2009 onwards, followed by China, Canada, and India. These were steady flows highlighted, while the other countries has figures fluctuated from 2009 to 2014. Again, the above illustrate that more applied after the dual multiple citizenship laws came into effect. If you want the breakdown and from the 60 countries, I can give it to you, but I can give it to the honorable member later on.